Welcome back to Deep South Bayou Diesel, guys. Yes, I am back in the 6.0. It was just low on fuel. I put $17 of diesel in here, a little over 5 gallons. I took a 5-gallon diesel can to my local fuel station. And I filled that thing slam full. I made it fit. I mean, I put 17 bucks in there, and it only needed like $16 and some change, but it filled it all the way up. But it is running off and on a little better. So there's trash in the oil, is the best way I can put it. You know, there's probably, you know, little chunks in there, something like that. But it's definitely waking this truck up. I mean, as you can see, I mean, it takes a little bit for it to get there, but it's not like you're waiting 7 to 12 business days for it to go. There we go. I'm just gonna keep driving it until it doesn't want to be driven anymore. So it could be in the next two hours, it could be the next 2 days, 2 years, or 2 decades. Who knows? But yeah, just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Truck's doing all right, doing a little bit better. I'm about to go put a little bit more fuel in here, and I got clothes to wash. So I'm not filming all of that. So you guys have a good one. Have a good weekend, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and, well, stay tuned for what happens next. Later, Gators.